Hi guys, so welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a very interesting video. I'm going to be showing you how I make a bunch of satin bonnets for my business. So the point of this video is to show you how you can batch create. You can make multiple bonnets together at the same time, thereby you're working faster, you are achieving more, making more money, you know. That's what today's video is going to be about. So right here I have my fabric. It's still a long piece right now. I'm going to be taking you through the entire process from the beginning to the end so you can understand how I cut faster, how I work faster. So the length of the fabric I have here is 22. This is 4 yards span. Okay, this is 4 yards span, but it is 22 inches long. It is 22 inches long this way and 4 yards this way. So I guess this is going to be making about 6 to 8 pieces of bonnet at the same time. But if you want to make more at a time, you can have longer fabric. You can have multiple of these 4 yards, for example. But in that case, you should keep in mind that you may be needing an electric scissors to cut through the layers of fabric. So I need 22 inches to cut out my circle. So this is 22, then I will measure also 22 here. Yeah, so then I will measure 22 here like this, as you can see. Then from there I'm just going to hold on to it like this, and I'm just going to go ahead and fold that together, kind of take that 22 around my entire length of fabric, just like this. I hope you get what I'm doing. Okay, so then I will have something like this. All right, so if you look at it now, you see that we have about 6 layers of 22 inches all together. So then I am going to then fold this. For this video, I assume that you already know how to make a bonnet. You just want to learn how to make multiple pieces at the same time. So that's what this video is about. If you want to learn how to make bonnet, you should watch my tutorials. I have a lot of videos actually on how to make a bonnet, so check that out. On different designs, I do have them on the channel. I'll post a link at the end of the video, or you can check description box, or just type dimension satin bonnet on YouTube. You'll find it. Okay, so then I'm just going to fold this into 2 like this. So I will a little bit speed through this video because I assume you know how to do this already. And I'll also fold this way. So like I was saying before, you see that this layer is now super thick, that your scissors may not be able to go through it. If you don't have an electric scissors, you can cut this twice. I will show you how. But if you do have an electric scissors or a roller like this, you can use something like this as well to cut it faster. So then you just take your radius and you cut through this. So I'm going to assume that you don't have an electric scissors, you want to use your regular scissors. It's still possible. What you do is just pick how many layers you feel that your scissors can cut at the same time, but start from the top and then go ahead and cut that out.
How could you ever love me? You don't even see me. I'm hanging around, wasting time, hoping that you.
So as you can see, we succeeded in using a manual scissors and cutting that out pretty fast. And this is what we have after doing that. You see what we did at once? Amazing. All right, so before we proceed, we'll quickly talk about the sponsor of today's video.
Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform where millions of creative minds like you and me come together to learn new things on different topics to become more creative. There are thousands of lessons on Skillshare, topics that covers illustration, fashion design, photography, or whether you want to learn video editing, video making, art, graphic design, or maybe you want to learn about YouTube, how to start your own YouTube channel and be successful. There are lessons on how to grow on Instagram, how to grow on social media. There are lessons on marketing, craft, productivity. Did I just say marketing? I'm sure that is communicating to someone already. This was actually what captivated me on Skillshare. I was taking a particular lesson by Gary, And guys, that lesson literally took me back to my drawing table because I was able to get valuable tips that can help me to grow my online business despite the competition that is going on today. You can apply the knowledge in your fashion business as well. What makes this difference is the fact that it's focused solely on learning. That means there are not going to be ads bothering you. Despite the numerous things you can learn on Skillshare, it is affordable. And guess what, guys? The first 1,000 people to use the link in the description box is going to get 1 month free trial to Skillshare. If I were you, I won't let this opportunity pass me by. So head on to the description box and grab yourself the free trial opportunity. All right, so you have to go ahead and also cut out your satin the same exact way, which I have done right here. Okay, same way, same size. There it is. All right, and the next thing is just to start joining them together, and we are going to be doing that in a fast way as well. So find my what's this called again? I find my bonnet, right side facing up, right side of this facing it as well, and then pin that together as normal. And guys, I get a lot of you guys asking me questions that can I watch your video and do it for my business. Of course, you can go ahead and do that. I'm making this video to help you guys, and then it's up to you to decide which aspect of your life you want it to help you. If you want to do it for business, it's fine, or if you want to do it just to save yourself some money of buying, spending money on bonnets, it's fine. If you're learning this or watching my video just so you can do something at your free time as a hobby, it's totally fine as well. So just go ahead and enjoy watching my video. Just have fun. That's why I'm making the video, guys. I'm having fun as well. This life, nothing is to be taken so seriously. You can win, I can win as well. It doesn't matter if I'm doing it for my business and I'm showing it to you guys on YouTube. You want to do it for your business as well, it's okay. Go ahead. Okay.
Around, wasting time, hoping that you drop by. And I don't pretend to know what you want. I don't even know where to start, but I'm willing to try. Even if you push me under, it's only gonna make me stronger. It's only gonna feed my hunger. Say the words, say the words. Even if the tide stops turning, even if the world keeps burning, nothing's gonna stop this feeling. Say the words, say the words.
So now it's time to do the stitching round for the elastic channel, and this time I'm going to be using a specific method called the chain stitch method. Not chain stitching, but you will see what I'm talking about. So what this method is meant to do is to save us a significant amount of time by joining them together. Basically, it's quite common. I want to assume some of you use this method, but that kind of saved us the time of stopping the machine, cutting the thread, and starting all over, So yeah, that saves us a bit of time there. If you're making a lot more than this, those little time accumulate, and it amounts to something significant at the end. What I'm just going to do right now is to insert my elastic band and close up the opening, and that's basically it. Super quick and easy. The question now is, can you make 30 bonnets in 2 hours? Yes, of course you can do that, but you know that when it comes to sewing, there are a lot of things that comes to play. If in sewing, a lot of things can go wrong. Your sewing machine can act up, you may need to change your needle, you may need to pause to do something else and all of that. If all of those things have to come up, then there is likelihood that you may not be able to do it within 2 hours. But if everything works smoothly and you concentrate, it is very, very possible. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you like it. If you do, let us discuss that in the comment, and like the video. Let me see you in my next one. Bye.